And St. Catherine High are early leaders, while Excelsior High are joint leaders following contrasting victories in a doubleheader at Eltham High School on Saturday as round of 16 action commenced in the Issa Manning Cup.
Dwight Gentles got the lone goal of the game for the former Walker Cup champions St. Catherine High in the late kickoff against former Manning Cup champions Charlie Smith. Gentles found the back of the net in the 25th minute through a well-worked and well-placed free kick for the all-important 3 points, topping Group 4.
I think we missed too much chance. But the thing is that we get a 1 goal, and 1 goal was still enough to get the 3 points.
I figure my guys them credit, you know. We're in the condition. We play a game where we can't take nothing away from either team. All right. They get 1 chance and they make use of it. And if you see it's a mistake by one of my main defender. But as I say, we can't take nothing away from either team we play. And congrats to St. Catherine.
In the early game at the same venue, host Eltham High gave up their lead twice as Excelsior came from behind to win 3-2 in Group 2. Stephen Bull gave Eltham a bright start after just 21 minutes, but Shadika Wizard gave Excelsior the equalizer in the 19th minute. The home team went ahead once more through Bull 10 minutes later. Kimarley Scott put Excelsior on even footing in minute 50 before Kivan Saman wrapped things up for the Eagles 5 minutes later. Excelsior joint leaders with the Tivoli, who trounced Jonathan Grant 5-0 in the group's other game.
I must say congratulations to the boys. It was one of the most difficult games that we would have played this season, and it would have taken a whole lot of effort and aggression to actually win this game against Eltham High School.
Well, it's the nature of the game. I believe, despite the loss, we played well. This is our first loss. We just have to get back to the rectangular surface, put in some work. We have 2 more games to go. We'll try and see how best we can capitalize on those 2 other games.
In other results, Campion College are joint leaders with Mona in Group 1 following their 3-0 blanking of St. George's College. Kingston College are Group 3 leaders after thrashing Hydel 6-1. And it ended 3-all between JC and Calabar in Group 4. The competition continues on Tuesday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.